We're throwing in our biggest line of defense.
Really?
You ready to do this, Shadow?
Fuck yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Oh, here we go, fuckers. You're in for a show tonight, fellas. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! There we go! Ow!
Oh shit.
Nothing can hurt me, not even you, pac-man! Wow!
Time to do it.
Wait a minute. Come on, let's go. Alright, come on. Oh, God. I think that hit both of us. Oh, Jesus. Oh, shit. He's dead. Jesus Christ. Mario! You suck at fighting, dude. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Let's go! Oh, bitch shot my wheel! He shot my wheel! Oh!
You can close the time.
Oh! Come on, Sonic! Wait! Alright, motherfuckers. What the fuck was that?
Sonic, you need some help?
Yeah, man.
Do this.
Oh. Wow! Oh, God. Whoa. Oh, fuck you, physics. I hate you! I hate you! Even though you're on my team. Sonic!
This is bland.
Die!
We have a new challenger. Oh, my leg, my leg, my leg, my leg. Bear, I'm not dead.
And why are you laying in a dead corpse
Because I like to lay in dead remains.
Oh.
It's just a habit of mine. Kind of a fetish.
Hey, Pac-Man. What's up?
I'm still standing here from when the fight began. Whatever. I guess it'll be the final battle.
Did a millimeter-sized raindrop hit me?
You did something that I don't approve of! You were $50 on Amazon! Ah! 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 Let's fight because it'll be awesome! Oh! I give up! You don't play safe! I'm gonna kill you! Oh! That was really powerful!
That's nothing compared to my atom farts.
Atom farts?
Yeah. You want to see my atom farts?
Yeah, I don't know!
That's not 1 millimeter of energy. That's how much I'm going to use this one.
Fuck! Yeah, that was, shitty like the other ones. Biggest tits. But it could have still been better.
Oh, it's finally over.
Next time I'll come with others.